So, good morning, everyone. I, on behalf of Scope IS, will seize the opportunity to welcome Sagar Jain. And may I have brief introduction of his. He was student of us in our Dhanbad center while he was doing his BTech course from ISM IIT. So I would like to invite him to address us, sharing his experience of learning for this examination and his success strategy throughout his preparation. So let us welcome him, Sagar Jain. Let us have a clapping for him. So Sagar. Many congratulations to you. So, okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Sagar Jain. I am 2014 batch student of ISM Dhanbad, and I have also been student of Scope IS Dhanbad Center. So I am my branch was mechanical engineering. So I have started preparing in the college itself in the Dhanbad Center with Scope IS. I joined in 5th semester, 3rd year. So the seed of my preparation, the foundation has been made by the Scope IES, because through that foundation only I started to build my preparation while in Delhi. I came to Delhi after quitting my job in 2015. I worked for 1 year around, and I was also studying while doing the job. So I was targeting the prelims of 2015. So I was able to crack because of my sound preparation in Dhanbad itself. Join some good test series which will give you review and which you can continuously improve, and try to improve before your next test, and show your answers to your friends, your essay to the teachers. Dinesh sir will help you in this. So this is the main strategy: continuous improvement. Otherwise, I was lucky that I started in the college itself. So it gave me a thinking and intuition, so that I was able to see which options are made for trap and which are correct. So this was the Scope IS helped me in that, because in the college itself I've made a good foundation in college itself, and now there are 3 to 4 years down the line I'm in good position that I'm able to clear prelims in around 1 month time. So to the students of ISM also, I must say that you should start your preparation in around 3rd year itself, and you are lucky enough to have good coaching in Dhanbad Center itself. So make good use of that, and you can also come later on to Delhi for your preparation, and you can continue from here. So it will give you good benefits. For example, many students of ISM have cleared in this manner. So you can also do that.